Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Reddit app. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You search about Reddit and we click. And here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.